Most travellers visit Agra in India for one reason, to see the magnificent Taj Mahal. We were no different. However, we did spend 3 days in Agra and have uncovered 5 different spots to view the Taj Mahal, which we'll show you in this video to help you plan your own journey to Agra. Enjoy!
We are at the Taj Nature Walk. It costs 150 rupees, but only 50 for Indians.
Of course it did. So the Taj Mahal Nature Park, I'd say 5 out of 10 at max. The nature is a bit run down. There's a few peacocks running around and heaps of squirrels, which is nice. You only get a couple viewpoints of the Taj Mahal. So one thing the Nature Walk has in abundance though is lots of space to practice your cartwheels. Rate our cartwheels out of 10. The next vantage point is found within the mighty Agra Fort. It costs 650 rupees for foreigners to enter the fort. While you're exploring the expansive complex, look out to the east for an uninterrupted view of the Taj Mahal. Our favourite viewpoint was hands down the APA viewpoint, not its overpriced rundown neighbour the Mehtab Bagh viewpoint. At APA, you only pay 50 rupees to enter and you have even better views. And of course, no list of Taj viewpoints is complete without visiting the Taj Mahal herself. We were super lucky to visit Agra on a Muslim holiday and had free entry to the site all weekend. We found that sunrise was definitely less busy. There was beautiful soft morning light, almost making the Taj Mahal appear blue. Then in the afternoon, the crowds were insane, but the Taj Mahal looked a lot more golden, reflecting the sunset on a clear night. I definitely preferred the sunrise, but Jamie Lee preferred the sunset. Although we didn't agree on which was better, we both agreed that you should plan your visit based on the weather forecast, and we have no doubt you'll have a special experience either way. We hope you enjoyed this video. Please let us know in the comments what is your favourite Taj Mahal viewpoint. We love to hear these things from you. Until next time, have a great day.